Okay, so we've got a hook now. Now, almost none of what we've done in order to kind of create this has actually happened within Massive, which is the synth that's actually playing these sounds. I've done what we all do, which is to go looking for presets which inspire us, but I'm always really keen, whether that's in dramatic or subtle ways, to make those sounds more my own. And if I don't do that with the actual synth parameters themselves, then I have a chance to do it with effects processing and to kind of think about this as a kind of musical part. And for me, this hook has always been about creating three sounds that work alongside one another so that we can then kind of treat them as one thing. The hook is these three parts playing together. So what I'm going to do is to create a little bit of a volume balance, which I think feels a bit better. This last sound that we've added feels a bit loud. So what I'm going to do is to turn it down, maybe 4 dB. Then what I'm going to do is to treat these sounds together by, again, folding them down into a track stack. As we've seen before, what this basically means is assigning those to an auxiliary where they then get a fader which can control the volume of those all together as one, but it also means I can add more effects to the whole stack.